Kejadian 36, Genesis 36. Inilah keturunan Esau yaitu Edom. Now these are the generation of Esau. Who is Edom? Esau mengambil perempuan-perempuan Kanaan menjadi istrinya, yakni Ada anak Elon orang Het dan Oholibama anak Ana anak Sibeon orang Hewi. Esau took his wife of the daughter of Canaan, Ada the daughter of Elon the Hittite, and Aholibama the daughter of Ana the daughter of Sibeon and Hephti. Dan Basmat anak Ismail, adik Nebayot, dan Basemat Ismail daughter, sister of Nebayot, dan melahirkan Elifas bagi Esau, dan Basmat melahirkan Rehuel. And Ada bare to Esau Eliphaz, and Basmat bare Reuel. Dan Oholibama melahirkan Yeus, Yaelam, dan Korah. Itulah anak-anak Esau yang lahir baginya di tanah Kanaan. And Aholibama bare Jeus and Jalam and Korah. These are the sons of Esau, which were born unto him in the land of Canaan. Esau membawa istri-istrinya, anak-anaknya laki dan perempuan, dan semua orang yang ada di rumahnya, ternaknya, segala hewannya, dan segala harta bendanya yang telah diperolehnya di tanah Kanaan. Lalu pergilah ia ke negeri lain, dan ia meninggalkan Yakub adiknya itu. And Esau took his wife and his son and his daughter and all the person of his house and his cattle and all which he had got in the land of Canaan, and went into the country from the face of his brother Jacob. Sebab harta milik mereka terlalu banyak sehingga mereka tidak dapat tinggal bersama-sama, dan negeri penumpangan mereka tidak dapat memuat mereka karena banyaknya ternak mereka itu. For their riches were more than that they might dwell together, and the land wherein they were strangers could not bear them because of their cattle. Maka menetaplah Esau di pegunungan Seir. Esau itulah Edom. Thus dwelt Esau in Mount Seir. Esau is Edom. Inilah keturunan Esau, bapa orang Edom di pegunungan Seir. And these are the generation of Esau, the father of their Edom in Mount Seir. Nama anak-anaknya ialah Elifaz, anak Ada istri Esau, Rehuel, anak Basmat istri Esau. These are the name of Esau's sons, Eliphaz, and the son of Ada, the wife of Esau, Rehuel, the son of Basmat, the wife of Esau. Anak-anak Eliphaz ialah Teman, Omar, Sefo, Gaitam, dan Kenas, and the sons of Eliphaz were Teman, Omar, Sefo, and Gatam, and Kenas. Timna adalah gundik Elifaz, anak Esau. Ia melahirkan Amalek bagi Elifaz. Itulah cucu-cucu Ada, istri Esau. And Timna was conceived Elifaz Esau's sons. And she bare to Eliphaz Amalek. These were the sons of Ada, Esau's wife. Inilah anak-anak Rehuel, Nahat, Serah, Syama, dan Misha. Itulah cucu-cucu Basmat, istri Esau. And these are the sons of Reuel, Nahat, and Serah, and Misha. These were the sons of Basmat, Esau's wife. Inilah anak-anak Oholibama, istri Esau itu, anak-anak anak Sibeon. Ia melahirkan bagi Esau, Yeus, Yaelam, dan Korah. And these were the son of Oholibama, the daughter of Anah, the daughter of Sibeon, Esau's wife, and she bare to Esau Jeus and Jalma and Korah. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum Bani Esau. Keturunan Elifaz anak sulung Esau ialah kepala kaum Teman, kepala kaum Omar, kepala kaum Sefo, kepala kaum Kenas. These were dukes of the sons of Esau, the son of Elifaz, the firstborn, son of Esau, Duk Teman, Duk Omar, Duk Sefo, Duk Kenas. Kepala kaum Korah, kepala kaum Gaitam, dan kepala kaum Amalek. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum Elifaz di tanah Edom. Itulah keturunan Ada, Duk Korah, Duk Jatam, and Duke Amalek. These are the Duke of that comes of Eliphaz in the land of Edom. These were the son of Ada. Inilah keturunan Reuel, anak Esau, kepala kaum Nahat, kepala kaum Syerah, kepala kaum Syama, dan kepala kaum Mispa. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum Reuel di tanah Edom. Itulah keturunan Basmat istri Esau. And the son of Reuel Esau, sons, Duk Natam, Nahat, Duk Sherah, Duk Shama, Duk Misha. These are the Duk that come of Reuel in the land of Adam. These are the sons of Basmat, Esau's wife. Inilah keturunan Oholibama, istri Esau, kepala kaum Yeus, kepala kaum Ayalam, kepala kaum Kor. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum Oholibama, istri Esau, anak-anak. And these are son of Oholibama, Esau's wife, Duke Jeus, Duke Jaal, Duke Korah. And these were the dukes that come of Oholibama, the daughter of Anna, Esau's wife. Itulah Bani Esau, yakni Edom, dan itulah kepala-kepala kaum mereka. These are the son of Esau, who is Edom, and these are their dukes. Inilah anak-anak Seir, orang Hori, penduduk negeri itu. Lotan, Shobal, Shibeon, Ana. These are the son of Seir the Horite, who inhabits the land Lotan, and Shobal, and Shibeon, and Ana. Dishon, Asher, Dirsan, itulah kepala-kepala kaum orang Hori, anak-anak Seir di tanah Edom. And Dishon, and Asher, and Dishan, these are the dukes of the Horites, and children of Seir in the land of Edom. Anak-anak Lotan ialah Hori dan Heman, dan saudara perempuan Lotan ialah Timnah. And the children of Lotan were Hori and Hemam, and Lotan's sister was Timnah. Inilah anak-anak Shobal, Alwan, Manahat, Ebal, Shepho, dan Onam. And the children of Shobal were this Alvan and Manahat, and Ebal, Shepho, and Onam. Inilah anak-anak Sibeon, Anya, Aya, dan Ana. Ana inilah yang menemui mata-mata air panas di padang gurun ketika ia sedang mengembalakan keledai Sibeon ayahnya itu. And these are the children of Sibeon, both Ajah and Ana. This was the Ana that found the moles in the wilderness, and as he fed as ashes of Sibeon his father. Inilah anak-anak Ana, Dishon dan Oholibama, anak perempuan Ana, and the Lord of Ana were Dishon and Oholibama, the daughter of Ana. Inilah anak-anak Dishon, Hemdan, Eshbon, Yitran, dan Ker. And these are the children of Dishon, Hemdan, and Eshban, Itran, and Keran. Inilah anak-anak Asher, Bilhan, Shawan. The children of Asher are these Bilhan and Shaphan and Akan. Inilah anak-anak Dishan, Uz, dan Aran. The children of Dishan are these Uz and Aran. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum orang Hori, kepala kaum Lotan, kepala kaum Shobal, kepala kaum Sibeon, kepala kaum Ana. These are the dukes that come of the Horites, Duk Lotan, Duk Shobal, Duk Sibeon, Duk Ana. Kepala kaum Dishan, kepala kaum Asher. Kaum Asher dan kepala kaum Dishan itulah kepala-kepala kaum orang Hori, kaum demi kaum di tanah Seir. Duk Dishon, Duk Asher, Duk Dishan. These are the dukes that come of Hori among their dukes in the land of Seir. Inilah raja-raja yang memerintah di tanah Edom sebelum ada seorang raja memerintah atas orang Israel. And these are the kings that reigned in the land of Edom before there reigned any king over the children of Israel. Di Edom yang memerintah ialah Bela bin Beor, dan kotanya bernama Dinhaba, and Bela, the sons of Beor, reigned in Edom, and the name of his city was Dinhaba. Setelah Bela mati, Yobab bin Serah dan Sobra menjadi raja menggantikan dia. And Beladid and Yobab, the sons of Serah, of Bosra, reigned in his stead. Setelah Yobab mati, Husham dari negeri orang Teman menjadi raja menggantikan dia. And Jobadid and Husham of the land of Temani reigned in his stead. Setelah Husham mati, Hadad bin Bedad menjadi raja menggantikan. Dialah yang memukul kalah orang Midian di daerah Moab dan kotanya bernama Awit. Husham did and Hadad the son of Bedad, who smote Midian in the field of Moab, ran in his stead, and the name of his city was Aphid. Setelah Hadad mati, Samlah dari Masreka menjadi raja menggantikan dia. And Hadad did and Samlah of Masreka ran in his stead. Setelah Samlah mati, Saul dan dari Rehobot yang di pinggir sungai menjadi raja menggantikan dia. And Samlah did and Saul of Rehobot he by the river in his stead. Setelah Saul mati, Baal-Hanan bin Akbor menjadi raja menggantikan dia. And Shaul did and Baal-Hanan the son of Akbor reigned in his stead. Setelah Baal-Hanan bin Akbor mati, Hadar menjadi raja menggantikan dia. Kotanya bernama Pahu dan istrinya bernama Mahitebel binti Medred binti Meshabab. And Baal-Hanan the son of Akbor did and Hadar reigned in his stead. And the name of his city was Pau, and his wife's name was Mehetabel, the daughter of Matred, the daughter of Meshahab. Inilah nama kepala-kepala kaum Esau menurut kaum dan tempat mereka dengan nama mereka masing-masing. Kepala kaum Timna, kepala kaum Alwa, kepala kaum Yetet. And these are the name of the dukes that come of Esau according to their family, after their place by their name: Duk Timna, Duk Alpha, Duk Jatet. Kepala kaum Oholibama, kepala kaum Elah, kepala kaum Pinon, Duk Oholibama, Duk Elah, Duk Pinon. Kepala kaum Kenas, kepala kaum Teman, kepala kaum Misbar, Duk Kenas, Duk Teman, Duk Mibsar. Kepala kaum Magdiel dan kepala kaum Imram. Itulah kepala-kepala kaum Edom menurut tempat kediaman mereka di tanah milik mereka. Edom ialah Esau, bapa orang Edom. Duk Magdiel, Duk Iram. This be the Duke of Edom, according to their habitation in the land of their possession. He is Esau, the father of the Edoms.